Our today's topic is the types of solar power systems available to the consumers. They are pretty simple and are of three types. They are off-grid solar system, on-grid solar system, also called grid-tied or grid-fed solar systems, and third type is hybrid solar system. We shall talk about them as what they are, what are the benefits of one over the other, and their cost impacts. So let's start with on-grid solar systems. In on-grid solar systems, power system is connected to solar as well as grid. There are no batteries for backup, means your load gets electricity from solar or grid or both at a time. If solar produces extra energy than consumption, the excess energy will be exported to grid. If solar produces less electricity than the use, system will take the deficit from the grid. Bidirectional energy meters count the net unit consumption, called net metering, and accordingly utility company can charge or adjust. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of on-grid solar system. What are the advantages? Among advantages, no need of batteries and charge controllers, so cost is lesser than off-grid and hybrid. Second benefit is excess power could be supplied to grid. Then during the day maximum big loads could be fed with solar. Then it is more environment friendly compared to the other types due to the absence of batteries. Batteries are not environment friendly. Then what are the disadvantages of on-grid solar system? Solar energy not available in night and dependency on grid is still there. And the second disadvantage is the power from grid has to be there for this system to work. Now we talk about off-grid solar system. In off-grid solar system, it is a standalone solar system, mean it works on its own and is not connected to grid. In the day, power is taken from solar and in night from batteries backup. The components are solar panels, charge controller, batteries bank and inverters. What are the advantages of this off-grid solar system? It can be set up in very remote areas where you have no access to grid. They are completely independent of grid. Set up independent power system based on your actual use and you will not have any blackouts as long as system is maintained. Of course, this has got many disadvantages also. This needs high initial setup cost. Also, the batteries need replacement on completion of their lives. Because of the need of batteries replacement, they may not be considered as very environment friendly. In case of failure or problem, one will not have any source of power if not arranged beforehand. Also, excess power is wasted, but panels need to operate on full capacity only. So this is about off-grid solar system. Now we talk about solar hybrid system. What it is best and most modern system. It is on-grid solar system with batteries added. You have the availability of power directly from the solar, from the batteries backup and from electricity grid. One can massively reduce dependence of grid. And one can switch to off-grid system or grid system depending on the requirement, or it could be auto switch as well. So now we discuss about advantages and disadvantages of solar hybrid system. Among the advantages, no solar energy is wasted, the excess energy is used to charge batteries and further excess energy is exported to grid. Solution to your electricity needs is always available. It could be less expensive than off-grid solar system if we count generator also in off-grid system. The dependency on batteries could be decreased by reducing bank capacity. And the disadvantages of this solar hybrid system is it cannot be set up in remote areas, and also the batteries backup is needed to be installed, and the batteries are not environment friendly. So this is about types of solar systems available to consumers. Hope you had learned something from it.